Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope that all of you good. Alhamdulillah, I am also good. Actually, right now it's prayer time. That's why I'm going to Johor pray. So everyone should try to pray 5 times. It's the month of Ramadan. So this Ramadan month is very important for Muslims. So please, I hope everyone will pray 5 times. Okay, already I came in front of mosque, so I will say something after the prayer. Okay, I came back again. Alhamdulillah, I have finished my Johor prayer. So right now I'm going to my room. So I'm very thirsty because I'm today fasting. So okay, I hope everyone should try to pray 5 times. It is very important for Muslims. So have a good day, have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.